All right, guys, this is a little bit of a unboxing video, and got another Ryobi tool here. This time it's the Ryobi stick light, 18 volt LED stick light, PCL 668B. All right, so I just got this thing and haven't taken it out of the package yet, but let's see what we got here. Okay, looks like we've got some specifications and registration kind of stuff. And looks like it's packed pretty nicely there. All right, so it looks like this thing will work in multi-position. Not too bad articulation. Put one of my handy batteries in there. And boom. Okay, it looks like it has 3 light levels. All right, guys, just one other thing to point out here. The difference between the old school and the new school technology. This old light I've had for, gosh, it's got to be about 20 years maybe. But this is the old Ryobi 18 volt. And, you know, I've actually been using this to, you know, work on vehicles and stuff like that. But, you know, yeah, it's okay. I mean, it puts some light on the subject, but check out this LED situation. I mean, that just blows this thing away. So I'm super happy with the new LED light, and you know, happy I bought it. So anyway, thanks for watching.